Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Spocket account in this Spocket platform. Now, the question is it possible? Well, I've done enough researches so nobody can scam you in the future. And as you can see, after searching Google, after searching on many other platforms, you will not be able to delete an account on Spocket. Otherwise, you will be able to cancel the subscription. So in case you had subscription going on, you can cancel it just by doing these steps that I have done already a video about in the channel. Make sure to check it out. So in here, if we search about the account details, we're in here, as you can see, in the Spocket Help Center, there is nothing that talks about deleting the account. There is logging out, canceling subscription, but nothing that talks centrally about the deleting account topic. So deleting an account is actually off topic, which means that it is not available or possible at the moment on Spocket.com. But in case you had like you wanted to delete or to stop your subscription, or you want to delete your account because you had subscription, or you can simply just stop it by signing into your Pocket account app. Click on settings in the left hand toolbar and then select membership. From the tabs, click the cancel link and type in your password. Once you have done that, following these pictures and steps that are in this article, you will be able to stop the subscription without the need of deleting the account. In general, as we said, we cannot delete the account on Spocket. All we can do is cancel the subscription and simply log out of the account. So thank you guys a lot for watching. That was it for today's video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below and see you guys in the next tutorial.